Hello everybody and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making my favorite side dish. Now, in your stand mixer, you're going to want to grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, and 1 cup of my yeast and water mixture, which is just 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of yeast. You're going to also add 2 eggs. Once you see that it is properly mixed, you're going to grab a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of ghee butter and spread it all across the bowl. I then let it sit for around 10 minutes after wrapping it in saran wrap. I then remove the saran wrap and separate the dough into little sections. I then grab my Philadelphia cream cheese. I only use Philadelphia cream cheese because it tastes the best. I put it in the center of the little circular shapes, and I kind of just fold it inside. I then repeat this process until all of the circular shapes have cream cheese inside of them. Now we're going to fry it. A very crucial step is to make sure your heat stays low or else the inside won't cook properly. Once you see that it is golden brown, you're going to flip and take them out. And there you have it. It is delicious, it is creamy, it is very filling. It's one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye!